Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to extract selected audio from your Audacity software. As you know, Audacity is used to record or edit your audio files. So first of all, open your Audacity software and import an audio file. I will select an audio file from my computer. So here you can see that I have a audio file in Audacity. And if I want to export small portion of my project, then how I can do this? First of all, select the portion you want to extract or export. After that, go to file option, export, and then click on export selected audio. When you click on export selected audio, the next pop-up will show that where you want to save your audio file. So I will save it on desktop and rename it by typing from my keyboard sample audio file. So I will click on save option. Here you can add values. I am going to leave it as it now. Then press on OK button. Now you can see that I have a sample audio file which I extract from my full complete project. So if you want to extract selected audio file, you have to select the portion you want to edit or you want to export from your Audacity software, and then go to file option, export, and then select export selected audio. So in this way you can easily export selected audio from your Audacity software. If you learn more about Audacity software, please check video description. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys later. Bye.